Hi guys and welcome back to cryptochesterg, and today have I got a project for you. Okay, today we're talking about a project called Swarm. Now Swarm is a very interesting truth protocol project that I've discovered here, which is built around AI, and we know how extremely bullish AI projects are right now. So in this video, we're going to be breaking down essentially what this project is and how you guys can get involved with it. So the project in question today is called Swarm. Now Swarm actually acts as a way to create your own AI agents in clusters and swarms. Basically meaning you can have multiple AI agents all set out with the goal of achieving something and all directing that goal into a specific target. For example, let's look at AI news for a second, guys. So AI news and just general AI content is getting out of control. You're seeing posts on social media these days that are like, you're looking at it like, is that AI or is that not? Is that real or is that not? Is that fake news or is that not? What AI cluster and swarms can actually do, what they do, they act as a way of scanning the internet and finding out whether that data and that information, that news is real news or fake news. And why is this important? Again, it's important because this is a growing problem. It's a problem that needs to be addressed. Okay, not just in a basis of just news. There's many other use cases for a project like this. Now, the use cases for a project like this can be different things. So I said at the start of the video, news platforms. Now, if you think about like prediction markets, if you think about like sports betting and stuff like that, instead of like humans, for example, let's talk about, say, football. So if humans have to go out and find all the football fixtures and put them on the betting site, and then get the results for that, it's a very long-winded process where if you had AI agents, like a cluster of AI agents, all programmed and prompted to do those things simultaneously, then the jobs get done super fast. So prediction markets is another use case. Supply chain management, okay? Swarm can be used to track the journey of goods in real time, providing an immutable, verified record of every step from manufacturing to delivery. There's many ways that Swarm can actually be incorporated into the Web3 space and into and onto different blockchains, okay? And that's basically the Swarm network overall, okay? So you can see healthcare providers, digital identity verification services like KYC, okay? E-commerce platforms, social media platforms, gaming platforms. Now, I want to show you guys a real use case that Swarm network is actually doing right now. And that is essentially Rollup news. So if you go to your X account and you find any sort of news, all you have to do is go under it and comment Rollup news and then the word Rollup. And basically you'll get a response from this AI agent basically telling you whether it's fake news or whether it's real. Okay, if we look at the replies here on this section, you can see that that this bot is actually working away. So March the 27th here, actually 3 minutes ago, you can see someone commented Rollup news 3 minutes ago, and they say basically it gave a completed assessment on that news, whether it was real or whether it was fake. So this is a really good use case for an AI agent like this, and that is why Swarm is basically the leading trust protocol for real-time verified arbitrary data, okay? And essentially what they let you do, they can let you build AI agents, clusters and swarms here to use either for a project benefit. So if you want to launch your own project, launch your own token with AI agents providing a service, Swarm will let you do that here using their no-code tools for full cycle Swarm development, okay? So you can basically build your AI agents with no code. You don't need to be a professional coder to do this. Okay, so that's a massive use case, and they specialize in token launching as well. So there's many things here, but in terms of just the general USP that Swarm is going for here, it is the truth protocol. Okay, and it's catching a lot of traction here, just in general. Okay, now we've got to think about this from a network perspective, guys. Okay, a network can't run without sort of a back end facilitating that. Now that is where the AI licenses come in. Now we will go into the AI licenses very shortly. Think of it like node sales and sort of a proof of work system here, which we will go into very shortly. But I just want to talk to you before that about the potential for AI and AI agents in the space. So if we look at just the top AI agents, sorry, the top AI projects here right now, you can see here. Actually, let's go to the AI agents and let's see how many millions of dollars in market cap these current AI agents are. So you can see Virtuals, for example, $1.6 billion. This one here, $340 million. You've got this one here. So around $200 billion market cap, $1 million market cap are some of these projects here. And basically showing the potential here. Now, the one that really has caught my eye is Virtuals Protocol. Now, Virtuals Protocol is another way of facilitating AI agents and launching them, okay? Currently sat at a $1.59 billion market cap. It basically shows that in the space, and it's one of a kind at the moment, guys, and Swarm is sort of in parallel with them, but offering a lot more stuff and a lot better things as well, being a truth protocol specifically. So, at a $1.59 billion market cap, it just shows the potential here for Swarm Network and what it can actually achieve. Now, if we look at the AI licenses again, because if you think of it again like a node sale, you need ways of running the ecosystem on the back end for everything to work. So right now they have got an agent license sale. Now this basically is a way for you guys to earn through being a part of this ecosystem. Now, what this does here, if you were to purchase one of these AI licenses, you will get daily token rewards, referral rebates, you'll get a revenue share in the platform here, and also you'll get Swarm airdrops. Okay, now this token is yet to be launched, but they're doing this agent license thing at the moment, like the launch at the moment, to basically build the facilitation of the network. Now, this network has already sold 8,485 different licenses. So they've got the backing here, they've got the funding here, and this thing is looking really, really, really strong. I want to talk quickly about this model very, very quickly. You can see built by Swarm Rollup News here. And this is also part of the SUI Hub Accelerator program as well, guys. So basically, it is part of the SUI network, and we know how well the SUI network is doing right now. And projects like an AI-based project on SUI, I mean, it speaks for itself. Okay, it's very, very likely to do very, very well. So let's just talk about this for a second. AI agent X human symbiosis. You can see here, built by Swarm, Rollup News. Okay, Rollup News sends a verification request to the AI agents on Swarms, which are user owned, and then the verification process goes through state machine, consensus engine, reward mechanism, knowledge mapping, and then goes back down to the news, checks social media and all that good stuff, and then it pulls the information back to the AI agents, and then the AI agents will then pull the information back to Rollup News. And that is essentially how this thing works, okay? So if you guys were to build your own AI agents, you would be actually part of this model as well. And everyone that is building and using this network does obviously have to pay to do so, okay? So basically, it means that the ecosystem will be paying these agent licenses, which will be essentially us. Okay, now these agent licenses are what they're currently priced at. They're currently priced at $1,000 by the looks of things. They have, you can see that the token rewards here are actually at $1.8 billion. Now, if we look at just the token utility for this asset, because again, this is super, super important. We need to know about the utility and the tokenomics and stuff before sort of jumping into the project and see whether this thing is going to work. So to start off with, we can see it's an AI project. It's done very, very well in the past. What other projects have been done very, very well in the past of this nature here, and it's on SUI Accelerator program, which is obviously massive here. So let's look at the token utility. So Swarm Truth Protocol mainnet. So all protocol transactions require a gas fee paid in the native token, okay, ensuring network security, incentivizing validator participation, and preventing scam attacks. Verification fees, dApps, data platforms, and end users consuming verified information pay a small fee in the native token. So all of these fees get put into the Swarm network and then paid out to the agent licenses. Okay, so again, think of it like a proof of work system where you buy a node and that node is acting as an ecosystem, a tool in the ecosystem to make it work, and that tool gets rewarded for the work that it puts in automatically. That's essentially what the the agent licenses will be doing. Now, staking and governance, you can see network security. Holders can stake tokens to secure a network and influence protocol parameters. DAO treasury measurement. management. The DAO treasury comprises 5% of the total supply. It's governed by stake token holders and funds, ecosystem grants, new expansions, and community-driven proposals, licensing and customization here, access to premium services, and ecosystem incentives here. So not only will you get rewards for owning these agent licenses, you will also be basically put into the ecosystem and have exclusive incentives and rewards basically involved with that. Okay, so yeah, that's basically it, guys. Just wanted to basically showcase this to you today, because it is a really, really cool project that, again, it hasn't launched its token just yet, but it's one that's on my radar right now, because it's we obviously always look for undervalued projects, and being in SUI, built on SUI, then it's being an AI program here, it's very, very likely to do well. Okay, so you can see the top tier integrations, all these other AI platforms as well, and there's just generally quite a lot of stuff going on with this project. So if you guys did want to get involved with the agent licenses, I'll leave the link in the description for you guys to go check that out. And if not, you can just basically keep this on your radar here, because this definitely a project that that I think has got huge potential fundamentally, and obviously from a charting perspective as well. I think there's a lot of meat on the bone here, and there's definitely profit to be made here through investing and just basically getting involved with this project. Let me know what you think of Swarm in the comment section, guys. I'm super intrigued to know your opinion, and whether you think this is a good project. For me, again, it's ticking all the boxes. I'm looking pretty bullish on this bad boy. Thank you ever so much for watching. Drop it a like if you found any sort of value on this video. I'd really appreciate it. And again, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I'm super intrigued to know. If you are new to the channel, drop a little sub. We're uploading literally so many times a week now, so you'll get continuous value by subscribing. I'll leave the link to our Telegram in the description as well. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next one.